Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone guys Applock setting, and today friends I am going to show you how to start Applock. Friends, you want to start your Applock, so friends today I am going to show you guys Applock full setting guys, A to Z, one by one and step by step guys, how to use Applock, how to start and how to turn off it. Open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting friends, click on guys your Poco phone guys app setting. So guys we click on app setting. So guys you can see system app setting, manage app, dual app and app lock. So guys click on app lock. So guys you can see this type of interface. So first of all guys click on turn on and guys draw your pattern. You want to set guys any password, so guys click on change password, pin password and password, so you can change. So I will hey guys pattern. So guys I will use this pattern lock guys, and guys 2 times guys we will draw pattern. And guys next option, once you want to sign your mi account, so your account, so you will have to sign it. So it's not now option. Once you can see sign, so not now. Once you can see your app lock, use app lock, tap here, and not fingerprint we don't want to use. So once you can see my this app is locked. So once you can see when I will use YouTube app, since I have this app lock, and don't ask again and cancel. As you can see when I will draw my pattern, my YouTube will unlock, I can use it. So like that guys we can start app lock and we can use it. Friends, you want to lock any app, so guys now let's see how to lock apps. App lock setting. Friends, which app guys you want to lock guys, select example Google, I will lock it. Gmail I will lock. Guys this is my photos, I will lock it. Share me app. So friends now you can see when I will on my photos, friends you can see I have this app lock. I will draw my pattern to unlock my photos app. So like that guys we can lock. And guys now let's talk about how to unlock app. So by same setting guys you will have to only click, your app will unlock it. Right side guys click which app you don't want to use, your app will unlock. So guys you can use, as you can see when I will use YouTube, I can use easily without app lock. So friends again click on your app lock setting. Friends you can see right side setting option, click here, app lock is on. Friends you can see app lock is show pattern, change password type. So guys you can off from here your app lock. We will tap here to turn off app lock. Friends you can see after okay we cannot use, you want to use, you will have to again set up your app lock guys. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to start app lock and how to use app lock settings. So bye bye guys, we will meet in the next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your app lock setting, your Poco phone setting, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.